Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I have one of the prettiest and most exciting and most girly holiday launches for 2025. It is the stunning Lisa Eldridge Holiday Collection. I have eyeshadows, I have lip glosses, I have a lipstick, I have all the things. So if you want to see what this collection is all about and see a full review and demo, then please stick around. If you are a new viewer or subscriber, welcome to my channel. I am Courtney. I am completely obsessed with all things makeup and beauty, and I like to keep you in the know about all the latest in makeup and beauty. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy you decided to stop on my channel and watch this video. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. Your support means the world to me, and I could not be happier to have you here. All right, let's get this party started. I've been so excited to get my makeup loving hands on this beautiful holiday collection from Lisa Eldridge. If you're not familiar with Lisa Eldridge, I will put her channel down below. She really is in a class by herself. And when I saw her video announcing the launch of this collection, I knew I had to get my hands on it. Since this collection arrived at my doorstep, it's been just sitting in its little box saying, please open me, try me. So that is what we are going to do today. We're going to start out with some lip gloss. Then we will do eyeshadow and then end with lipstick. So there are a variety of options for the Lisa Eldridge Holiday Collection. I will put some up on the screen. I decided to pick up the collection of 3 eyeshadows, and there's also some new lipstick shades and some lip glosses. I missed out on the lip gloss kit. It was 3 lip glosses. I was able to get 2 of them individually, but I did miss out on the adorable little set. The time that I was ordering, it was sold out. It was sold out like in a day. So I snoozed, I lost, and here we are. But I did pick up 2 of the shades as well as one of the lipsticks and the eyeshadow trio. So I'm so excited to test this out. So let's start out with the lip gloss swatches, and then we will move on to the glittery eyeshadows. So the set that I was not able to get, it is back in stock. It's called the Sequin Suite. It's limited edition and it contains 3 glosses. It retails for $67 and it is worth $84 US. And these are sheer smooth gloss top coats with eye-catching duochrome sparkles. Now there are 3 shades available. Chamalon Chaos, which is a burnt orange punch with a duochrome orange pink sparkle. Then we have Kensington Plum, which is a chocolatey plum berry with golden sparkle. And then Peekaboo, which is a bauble cerise with hot pink sparkle. And these are nourishing, sheer smooth color with a duochrome sparkle. Now, the glosses retail for $28 individually. And like I said, I did miss out on the adorable kit, unfortunately, but I was very happy to pick up these 2 shades. And this is Peekaboo Pink. I'm trying to get the camera to pick it up. It has a gorgeous sparkle. Just so, so pretty. Okay, maybe that's better. Okay, so hopefully you can see the sparkle. And I have to admit, I did sneak this on my lips. I couldn't resist. I mean, look at this. How could I resist this? But so pretty and really so nourishing on the lips, very hydrating, not gritty at all. I really love the way it felt on my lips. And the next shade that I picked up was Kensington Plum. I have not tried this one or swatched it yet. Ooh, it is chocolatey. And I'll just do a couple of coats here so you can see hopefully how beautiful these are. I don't think the camera's doing it justice, but these are gorgeous in person. Okay, so here is Peekaboo Pink and then Kensington Plum. So let's try Peekaboo Pink on the lips, even though I already cheated and did try this, but oh my gosh. How fun is that, right? This is absolutely stunning. What a fun pop of pink. I feel like this collection is just fun, like just glitter and sparkly and just everything that a girl would want in her makeup. And again, it's not gritty. You don't feel the sparkles in the gloss. Just absolutely beautiful, so shiny. I really love this one and I cannot wait to try Kensington Plum. And also just want to show you the individual box that this came in. Look how cute this is, just so chic. This kind of just screams Lisa Eldridge, just so chic and girly and feminine, just so beautiful. And just really love the artwork on this whole collection. And again, these are the individual gloss cases. If you buy the kit, that does come in a separate case, but this is if you buy the glosses individually, and I just think it's adorable. Okay, so let us try Kensington Plum. So this is Kensington Plum. Definitely more subtle than Peekaboo Pink, but equally beautiful. You can still see a little bit of shimmer, not as much as Peekaboo Pink, but if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, a little bit more rich, this is absolutely beautiful. And again, just so hydrating, so shiny, really love it. Oh, I'm so happy that I bought these. And I hope I don't have to pick up the other shade that I didn't buy yet. I might have to. It might happen. Don't judge me. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the eye kit. Look at this beautiful packaging. Again, just so chic, so pretty, so fun. And this is the Mirrorball eye kit. And it says, "The shimmering lusters that dance around the lids and guarantee that the party revolves around you." I always thought the party revolved around me, but I guess now I can be sure of it because of my eyeshadow. So we have 3 shades here. We have Celine, we have Rosalie, and Aria. And Celine is described as a tarnish-rich viridian green pewter. Rosalie is a light muted and warm peachy rose. And Aria is light and vibrant pure silver. And this kit retails for $81. And it says that the value is $90. And you can buy these shades individually. If you were to buy them individually, they would cost $30 each. All right, so let's get these swatched. So the first shade is Aria. Really pretty, beautiful, shimmery silver shade. And the next shade is Rosalie. So pretty. And the final one is Celine. Ooh, that's bold. So as I'm putting these on the hand, they're very creamy. They feel good on the skin. Okay. So as you can see, very bold. So again, Aria, Rosalie, and Celine. So this is the silver, this is the kind of rosy shade, and then this is the green pewter shade. So let's try Aria. I'm going to put a little bit on the eyelid, grab a fluffy brush, and just kind of apply that all over, shear it out a little bit. So that is applying beautifully. Okay, so that is one coat of Aria. I think what I'm going to do is also use my finger to shear it out, because if you wanted a really dense application, you could theoretically leave it like that, but it's a little bit much for my taste just with the other colors we're going to be using. So I'm just going to use my finger to kind of buff it out. You definitely get that denser application, plus we have a second coat. I'm just taking the brush and just going over it a little bit. That is pretty. So what do we think of Aria? You really could do that as a one and done shade. If you're going to a Christmas party or something, just a family gathering, look how pretty that would be by itself. So pretty. I'm actually going to throw this on the other lid now, just to show you the completed look if you were to do this as a one and done shade. Applicator is very nice. So I just went and built it up a little bit more, but look how stunning Aria is. This is just a gorgeous one and done shade. I'd be happy just leaving this alone, popping on some eyeliner, mascara, and heading out to a party that I don't have an invitation for because I have nowhere to go after filming this video. But if I did have a party to go to, this would be the perfect shade for said invisible party. So I just think that this is gorgeous, and I can't wait to play around with the other shades. So let me take this off, and I will be right back. Okay. So we have reapplied, as if you're in the room with me, I have reapplied the Makeup by Mario Bisque shade to my eyelids, and we're going to go in with Rosalie. I'm going to buff that out with my finger initially. Oh, that's pretty. This shade in particular I feel like would be a good topper. Maybe if you had like a pink eyeshadow underneath and you wanted to throw this on top, that would be really pretty. This is a little bit close to the color of my eyelids, so it's not as dramatic as Aria was, but that's okay. This is so pretty, isn't it? So girly, so feminine. Again, this would also be beautiful as a topper, but really pretty. So I applied a little bit more, but this is Rosalie. What do we think? I think it's absolutely stunning. A little bit more subtle if you're looking to pick up something from this holiday collection that you can wear more for everyday use, but still have that beautiful pop of shimmeriness. Is that a word? Shimmeriness? Shimmer? I think shimmer is the proper word, so let's go with shimmer. because we on this channel, we're sophisticated, we're grammatically correct, most of the time at least. This is really pretty, and I want you to imagine this with eyeliner and mascara. I'm not going to put that on right now just because I'm going to put on the last shade and finish off the look, but I really, really love this one. Again, not as dramatic as Aria, but probably better for more everyday use and just really classy and feminine and girly. So very happy with this one too. So now we are going to move on to Celine. I took off the previous eyeshadow and I did put on the Makeup by Mario as a base again. So let us try Celine. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. And if you wanted to get a really dense application of these, you could really just paint it on, I guess, if you had a steadier hand than I do. If you really wanted to get, like I said, that dense application, or you can, like I'm doing, just take a brush and just buff it out. How pretty is this one, though? Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. So again, if you wanted to get that very dense application, and if you have a steadier hand than I do, then take it and just apply it with the wand and don't buff it out. But if you're like me and don't have the steadiest hand in the world, a brush or your finger would be essential for make it look nice and even. But how easy is that just to put on and buff out? And if you go, lighter handed, you can get a more sheer application. So a lot of versatility with this. Which shade do you like the best? Thought it was going to be Aria, but the Celine one is so pretty. It's really unique. I love this. So what do we think of Celine? I think this might be my favorite out of the three. I don't know. Which one is your favorite? I thought it was going to be Aria or Rosalie, but this is really surprising me. I love this. And I think the theme of this collection is like girlfriends getting ready before they go out for the night. So if we're going with this theme, I'll give you a little illustration as to which eyeshadow I think fits each friend in the friend group. So Rosalie is just your girl next door, good girl, just sweet to everybody and just always girly and pretty and feminine. So Rosalie is the good girl of the group. Then we have the classic flashy friend, the one that's always up for a party, always up for a good time, and always just wearing the flashy clothes and the flashy makeup. And then Celine is just the classic big sister of the group. She's tough but sweet, wears a leather jacket, and always has a dark eyeliner on her eyes. She doesn't let you get away with anything, but she will always have your back. So that is Celine. And I just think that the three make up a perfect friend group and also a perfect holiday eyeshadow collection from Lisa Eldridge. I love this collection. I think it's absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy that I picked it up. I think for the price, you get three beautiful shadows in three unique shades, and I think you can wear them together, but also they're great one and done shades. So really happy with this part of the collection. I'm going to quickly add some eyeliner and mascara, and then we will finish off with our lipstick. And before I put on mascara and eyeliner, I just want to say, do I kind of look like her with the reddish hair, like powdered, like, that? Maybe some resemblance. You tell me. Okay, so eyeliner and mascara are on, and I'm in love with this shade, love with this collection. I removed the lip gloss so that we can apply the lipstick, but I am really impressed with this collection. Not only is the packaging beautiful, but what's inside is just outstanding. So there were two lipstick shades released with this collection. One is a limited edition red shade. I'll put that up on the screen. And the next is the shade that I purchased. And this is the adorable box that it came in. So we're going to try to look like this. Yeah? No? Maybe? We'll try. But this is the Rouge Experience Refillable Lipstick in the shade 191 Dream Damask. And obviously this is the Lisa Eldridge Refillable Lipstick. I did get mine engraved, which is nice. And this is the shade right here. And let's pop this on. That's pretty. So this is Dream Damask. What do we think? I think it's beautiful. And I think this would be really beautiful, especially with Rosalie on the eyes. That would be really nice. I do not have on lip liner because I want you to see the true color of the lipstick. But really hydrating on the lips, very smooth, beautiful, kind of everyday shade, but also you can definitely dress this up. I'm going to take Peekaboo Pink and just throw that on top. What a pretty combination, right? I love it. Okay, so that wraps up my Lisa Eldridge Holiday Collection review. I literally have nothing bad to say about this collection. From the sophisticated packaging to the beautiful products inside, I am blown away by this collection. I think it's one of the best holiday releases of 2025. It's just girly and sparkly, makes you feel really pretty, and just, I don't know, it's everything that a holiday collection I think should be. So I'm thrilled that I added this to my collection, and I am so happy to showcase this for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Let me know your thoughts. Are you thinking of picking up this collection? Do you like any of the shades in particular? Let's have a conversation in the comments below. I love it when you guys leave me comments. It really makes my day. And your support of my channel means the world to me. When you're creating content and you're putting it out there in the world, you don't always know how it will be received. And you're just sitting, talking to yourself in a camera. And it's just a different kind of experience. So to know that your work is appreciated and that you're connecting with people, and that hopefully I bring some happiness to your day or just something lighthearted to kind of escape the stresses of everyday life, that means the world to me. I cannot tell you how much it means to me. So thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy my content, I would hope that you would consider subscribing. It really does help me out. And I would really love for you to join this growing community of beauty lovers and friends. I try to keep you up to date in all the news in makeup and beauty. So if you want to stay in touch and you want to keep updated with all the latest, please subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.